Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna be building a gaming computer for only $360. So the first thing that I bought, it was the GPU. The GPU cost me $200. I found it in the offer app. I was so lucky to find this great deal. So this GPU normally goes around for $600 on Amazon, or you can buy used for $400 to $300. I was so lucky, really guys, to find it for $200. The second item that I purchased is the Ryzen 1600X, which also came with a Hyper 212 CPU cooler for only $50 on Facebook. Next is the motherboard. I purchased it from Lego for only $15. I found this guy who was selling 3 motherboards for $45. This was an amazing deal, so I purchased them all to use for future builds. Moving forward to the power supply, I found this one for $20. I do recommend that you purchase this part new. The only reason why I purchased it from someone else is because the person said it was brand new. I guess I have to believe him. Next is the case. I found this one in offer for $30. It came with 4 fans and a GPU vertical mount. This was a great package for the money that I paid. Next up, we have the RAM. I bought it for $40 on Facebook Marketplace. If you cannot find one used, Amazon has them for affordable prices as well. Lastly, the finishing touch are the RGB lights. You can find these at Walmart for only $5. This item can step up your PC game. The purpose of this channel is to teach you that you can build a great computer for an affordable price. And this is the final product.